मिस्टर मुरलीधर चटवानी सर, मैं चाहूंगा प्लीज आप भी यहां पर आए। Sir, we know that with Panorama Studios, it has always been amazing. फिर चाहे एग्जिबिट किसी चीज को करने की बात हो, प्रेजेंट करने की बात हो, प्रोड्यूस करने की बात हो, लेकिन यहाँ पे व्हेन यू कोलैबोरेट विद चौहान स्टूडियोज, ऑफ कोर्स कनु भाई चौहान साहब, हाउ वाज इट एंड व्हाट डिड यू गाइस सी इन दिस थिंग, यू नो?
So when we saw the film in some parts and हमने देखा कि ये हिस्ट्री का इतना बड़ा चैप्टर है और it is a very integral part of our history. तो हमने सोचा कि कनु भाई ने इतनी मेहनत की है, प्रिंस ने और सब ने इतनी मेहनत की है इसको बनाने में, so we should get involved. और वो सोच के we got involved in this. और अब मैं जब आते आते ट्रेलर लॉन्च के लिए सोच रहा था कि क्या बोलूं, तो मुझे एक बहुत ख़ास चीज़ दिमाग में आई जो मैंने फिर वेरीफाई की। हमने प्रोडक्शन में पैनोरामा स्टूडियोज़ में और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में इतनी सारी पिक्चरें की हैं, हिस्ट्री से जुड़ी हुई कोई पिक्चर अभी तक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं की है। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट फिल्म एंड ये this has, so like everyone has been chosen, I think this is a call from above. This is a call from Mahadev that we've been chosen to do this film at this stage, and I'm shaking. It's currently मेरे को I have no words, but this is something which came to my mind, and I thought I'll share with you all. Sir, this is the first film actually we are doing. Last 25 years we've been distributing and producing films. So
May your success rub off upon us here.
Thank you.
And to many more, of course. You know, ये तो बस शुरुआत है. We also have with us, of course, Himanshu ji. Please, मंच पर आइए. Of course, an important part of this film. Please. Welcome. Thank you so much. You know, looking at this team here, the entire team, and starting with Sunil sir. मैं मुरली सर को वही बोलने वाला था. सुनील सर का नाम आते ही, of course, हम तो we are on board. यही होता है. So, how was it working with this entire team?
First of all, thank you everyone for being here, and feels absolutely grateful to be here amongst the stellar people over here. Definitely with Sunil sir, I just want to personally say thank you, sir. Thank you for that wonderful call as well that made my day that day. And this wonderful boy, Prince, I know him since almost a decade, or maybe more than that, when he was assisting. And to see him creating such a beautiful, beautiful masterpiece is amazing. So happy to be here, and thank you everyone for making me part of this wonderful film. Suraj and Akanksha, you guys are fantastic. Loving every bit of it. Congratulations to you.
यार दशकों की बात कर दी, इनकी त्वचा से उम्र का पता ही नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पे. All I want to say is we'll do a quick picture with this team here, ladies and gentlemen. We'll take the mics. And सूरज भाई, मेरे पास वो जो सवाल है मैं आऊँगा. I'm sure यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग पूछना चाहते हैं. जी. Thank you. We'll have a final photo op wherein, of course, we'll invite the HODs here and some more wonderful people. Prince, sir. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. We'll quickly get the chairs and set the stage up for this. Do it, man. Media Q&A we'll do, and then we'll do the pictures. We've got one good shot, right? Thank you. Thank you for being so understanding.
शत्रून् उच्चाटय ब्रं 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 फट्
You know, I'm loving the courtesy here on this stage, of course. ये यही होता है, you know, जो एक यूनिट को साथ बांध के रखता है, of course. So where are we getting the first question from? Please बताइए.
Over here, हाँ, अच्छा बैठ के पूछ लेता हूँ, चलो डन. अच्छा, over here, the first question is over here. मैं पूछना चाहूँगा, sir over here. Hi sir. Let them say it. Yeah. Oh, the mic.